How to download old version of apps on iPhone. So if you want to download old version of apps on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your app store. Once you open up your app store, like for example, I'll go with Telegram right here. Once you open up your Telegram, you need to go with what's new. Under what's new, as you can see that you will have all of these version history. So you need to go and select any version that you would like to download. Like for example, I'll go with this one, and you may have an install button. But if you don't find an install button right here, then what you need to do is just copy the version history. Like for example, 11.15, I want this one. So go back, go with your search. Under search, you need to search for 11.5 version, or you can also just go back and open up your Google or your browser, Telegram 11.5 version, and as you can see that you will have a lot of websites that will provide you the oldest version right here. So you just need simply go with any one of these applications, any one of these websites, or you can also go with any other application like CapCut as well. Go with the version, and then you need to ensure IPA, which is available for iOS devices. If you're using your iOS and if you want to download an older version of an app on your iPhone, you need to enter IPA. After that, you need to go and select any website, and then you need to scroll down, and here you will have download CapCut IPA file. You need to tap on that and it will download the file. Once the file has been downloaded, you need to again double click on the file and your application will be installed. So that's it. In this way, you'll be able to download the older version, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.